Good morning, my little stars.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Eat well before school.
I will help, Leo.
Thank you, Lili. I love you both very much.
We love you too.
Love you, Mom.
I like walking with you. I will always stay with you.
Good morning, Lili. Good morning, Emma.
Hello. Let's learn together.
This is fun.
Yes. Fire. Be careful. We are together. Today was fun. Yes, it was. I am happy.
Welcome home.
Mom!
We missed you today.
Thank you for helping.
We like helping.
Dinner smells nice.
I have something important to tell you. I must go away for some time.
Why, Mom?
Please be brave. I don't want you to go. I love you both. Please stay. Mom, come back soon. Come back soon.
Where is Mom?
She will come back one day. I miss Mom. I am here with you. We will be okay. Thank you, Lili. Ready for school?
Yes, let's go.
Will Mom come home? I hope so, Leo. Lili, are you okay?
I miss my mom.
You are not alone. Thank you, Emma. You are very brave.
I will stay strong. Let's finish together. Thank you. We can walk together. That is nice. Thank you. We make a good team. Yes, we do. I want to help. We did it!
Great job.
Thank you, everyone. Good night, Lili. Sweet dreams.
I miss you, Mom. Tomorrow will be better.
Breakfast is ready. It smells good. Thank you.
Let's have a good day.
The rain is funny. Stay close to me.
You look tired.
I am okay.
I will help you. Keep believing in yourself.
You can do it. I will.
Everything looks nice.
We clean together.
Great job.
These cookies look yummy. They smell great. Let's share them. Mom will like this. I hope she smiles. Dear Mom, we miss you. Please come home. We will wait for you. We love you, Mom. Excellent work, Lili. Thank you, Mrs. Wilson.
Well done.
Thank you. You are doing great. You are so kind. The flowers are beautiful. They will grow, just like us. The sky is pretty. Tomorrow will be a good day. I believe that. Good night, Mom. We will see you again. Thank you for my lunch. Have a wonderful day. It is a beautiful day. Yes, it is. This is for you. It is beautiful. You are my best friend.
This is for your courage.
Thank you very much.
You earned it.
I finished. I am proud of you. Great job.
The house looks happy.
I like it.
Mom will love it.
That was a nice story. Sleep well. Good night. Mom sent a message. Really? That is wonderful. Mom is coming home. I can't wait. This is happy news. I am home. Mom.
You came back. I missed you. We missed you too. Welcome home. It feels good to be home.
We are together again.
I am so happy.
Our garden is beautiful. The flowers are growing,
Just like our family. We made many memories.
we will make more. Together, we are a family again.
Love gives us hope. The future is bright.